Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel, Angela Mutavi Art. In today's video, I'll be painting more flowers. This time I'm gonna be painting Balloon Kiss. So stay tuned to see the paints and everything that I'm gonna be using. Right now, what I'm doing is just covering my canvas with white paint, base paint, and this is just acrylic fluid paint that I mixed with some Floetrol and water. Very little water though. These are the paints I'm gonna use. That was green and magenta. This is yellow and blue. I have white and violet, and I think that is it for the paints. I don't want to put way too many paints. I was not able to find a balloon, so I am going to use this glove. These are some of the gloves I use to when I'm painting, and I'm just gonna tie it with this rubber band, and then we'll start painting. I will put some paint down, and then we'll start Balloon Kiss. So basically, the see, that's what it makes. It's just like a balloon, but I didn't have any balloons, so this is what I'm gonna be using. So please stick around and see how I made these flowers. They're beautiful. They turned out beautiful, and then, you know, at the end of the video I'll show you the final result of these little flowers. Thank you so much for being here. Now I'm gonna start. I had already done one, but I'm gonna show you how the balloon keys works. So you basically just hold the balloon and press it on one of the puddles that I've made for just like that, and press it down. And when you lift it up, it makes that nice little flower there. Now the trick is the paint must be very fluid. It's not too fluid, but you know, it can't be straight from the tube, because if it was straight from the tube, it will not make these beautiful flowers. And also the base canvas, the base paint must be somewhat watery. You can't just do this on a dry canvas. You have to have your canvas with some wet paint to these for these flowers to work. So that is what I'm doing, and that's really all there is to this technique. You just put your puddles down, and you take your balloon. A real balloon works just as well. And since I didn't have one, you have to improvise. I use this. I use the glove. So yeah, you just press it down. You make that little nice flower, and you continue doing that until you're all done with your flowers. And then if you want to put some stems on them, you can do that. If you want to just leave them like this, you can do that. I will decide if I want to put stems on them once I'm done with this. Yeah, so please let me know if you end up making yours. Please let me know how it turned out by commenting, putting a comment in the comment section, and what colors you used. I like using bright colors for flowers, so let me know how yours turned out, and please try it. It is fun. Painting is fun. It's just so relaxing and calming. So yeah, I will show you the end result in a few minutes. So I decided to put a few stems, and I'm gonna use that green to put a few stems here and there. And that is actually a liner brush. I want the stems to be very, very thin, and just final touches with a brush, and it's a liner brush, very, very fine. And yeah, so there's really not much to it. It's very easy, very simple flower to make with a balloon. So it's really easy to find items in your house to paint with. Never say, oh, I don't have a brush, so I can't paint. You can paint with if you can paint with a balloon, you can paint with a toothbrush, you can paint with all kinds of items in your house. So be creative, and watch my videos if you want to be inspired. Watch my videos, see how I paint some of my paintings with different items from my house. So here is the final result. There is the final painting. Beautiful, very, very nice. I love those. They look like those candies, like Christmas candy. They're beautiful, but spring is just around the corner. So thank you for being here. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and I will see you on the next video. God bless. Bye.